What's up YouTube, Steve here, and today I have an unboxing video. I just recently got these Adidas runners. I got them on Adidas website. I've been looking at them for a while and they kind of dropped down in price for on sale. So it was kind of came in hand for a while, so I decided to get them. So this is just going to be an unboxing of the Pure Boost HD, I suppose winter, but it's a color grade. It's like a black with a small like neon green stripe going through. Size UK size 9. Other information there maybe. Yeah, I think I paid about 96 euro or something like that. Shipping included as well, so it wasn't too bad. So I just got these today as well, so I have them. As you can see right there, Boost HD. It's like the neon kind of stripe through. Nice kind of feeling to it. So kind of like the Boost as well, but I suppose a little bit more harder, I suppose. This is the runner. Nice bit of traction in the bottom. Continental. Nice support heel at the back. Okay, size 9. Pretty much the same. Just up there. Nothing else in the box. Bit of information here. Adidas International. Nothing else in the box itself. Just a normal Adidas box, nothing specific about it. The laces look decent enough as well. The material here as well, it's a kind of a mesh, I suppose. It's not as breathable as the Boost runners, but it's a little bit more restrictive, I suppose. Still quite nice. Just the size inside there. The insole, as you can see, Boost HD. Feels sturdy enough. Well, that was just a quick unboxing of the Adidas Boost HD runners. Nothing special. Short and sweet. One take video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks and goodbye.